have just diagnosed a worn camshaft and tappets. These are completely worn out, onto the point that there's a hole in them. There, look at that. Yeah. Completely destroyed. If you have a knocking, pulsing engine sound coming out of your Volkswagen T5 2.5 TDI, you hear it knocking, and when you feel it mostly, you feel the vibration from the hose to the airbox. And when you disconnect the hose, it's obvious. It sucks in air, so be careful. Unfortunately, we have just diagnosed a worn camshaft and tappets, so it's kind of a big job. If you have this problem, yeah, now you know it, so good luck. And this is the necessary repair. New camshaft, and underneath there are the new lifters, and here you have the old lifters. These are completely worn out, some of them more than others. This is what it should be, but some of them are completely hollow, onto the point that there's a hole in them. This is insane. Here's the camshaft that came out, and you can see had it totally toast. It's okay. There, look at that. Where was it? Oh yeah, here. Completely destroyed. Now you know it. Good luck.